How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we have a welder to review. It's a little chilly outside. It's about 33 degrees outside, and I thought this would be a good day to try out this welder and do a review on it. So we're going to open this welder up. This is called a YESWELDER. I'm sure you guys have seen these on Facebook advertised, and you see them on YouTube advertised all the time. So this company got a hold of me and asked me if I'd review one of their welders, and I said sure. I've been reviewing a lot of welders, trying to get welders that are affordable for young people that want to start welding or have a hobby, like a hobbyist type welder, something that's not really that expensive. So they sent us out this welder. We're going to unbox it here on the table, show you what comes with it, and then we're going to give it a try and see how it welds. So we're going to go ahead and get to unboxing this thing. Alright, when you get your box open, you're going to see that you have your manual for your machine. You got a setup chart here. Everything that you need to get started with is right here in these pamphlets. I would suggest going over these and understanding them before you get started, because I'm only going to give you the basics on this machine. This is what all comes with your machine. You're going to get your welder. Then you have your MIG torch. You're going to get a couple extra tips, which are very nice. This is for your arc welding, for your stick welding, and then you have your ground. So we're going to get this thing set up, and we're going to show you how it works. Alright, we got our welder set up for MIG welding right now. I really do like the chart they give you with this. It shows you right at the bottom here. If you want to MIG weld, it shows you how to hook your leads in here. If you want to stick weld or TIG weld, it's very simple, very easy chart to understand. Now, your machine does not come with any flux core, so you're going to have to get some flux core when you get your machine. Order some flux core with it so you have wire to run it if you want to do MIG welding or welding rods. You're not going to get any of that with that. You're just basically going to get your machine and your leads. So we are set up right now. This is a 110 welder. You can plug this welder right into a regular outlet in your house or in your shop. You do not have to have 220 to run this machine. Looks like it's going to be a pretty simple setup. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by doing a little bit of MIG welding with it. And then we're going to switch it over and do a little bit of stick welding. Just see how it works. That's a really nice looking weld. Beautiful looking weld there. I'll try a little bit more. These 110 welders, I cannot believe how well they weld. This is just a beautiful looking weld on here. Look at those welds. That's actually really good. I'm not a professional welder, but I'm laying some pretty nice welds with this little machine. We got it set up for stick welding now. I'm going to go ahead and use this stick welder, and I'm going to see. Now we might have to adjust it a little bit to get it going, but we'll see what we can do here. A little hot, I think. So we's a little hot on that one. We're gonna turn it down a little bit and see what happens. I'm not the best at stick welding, but it is stick welding. Well, it did stick weld. I'm not going to say them are the best looking welds, but I can tell you right now that MIG welder is awesome. I really like the MIG welder. And of course, I'm not the greatest at the stick welding. Probably some more practice, I probably could get pretty good with it. But the machine is really working well. I love the MIG welder part. That's my game. I really like the MIG welder. Stick welding, I never did much of it. Only if we absolutely had to, big heavy metal, but I'll tell you, this little machine's got it. It works. Alright, so we got a little bit of MIG welding and a little bit of stick welding. I'm not that good with the stick welder, but I really do like MIG welding, and I'm pretty good with the MIG welder, and this thing did a great job MIG welding. Now, one thing about this machine when you get it, don't forget, it's not going to come with wire. You're going to have to order you some flux core wire, and I'm using a 0.30 flux core wire in this. And you may end up wanting to pick up a few more little tips for it. I mean, they give you 3 of them with it, but it's always good to have them extra tips when you get your welder. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below if you're interested in one of these. Now, listen, they're not a big expensive welder. A lot of you guys out there that watch my videos tell me, hey, I don't have a welder. Well, listen, I'm trying to get welders that are very inexpensive. So if you want a welder for your little shop, work on them go-karts, mini bikes, lawnmowers, tractors, dune buggies, whatever you're working on, these little guys are your ticket. I'm telling you, this YESWELDER works great. I don't think you'll have any trouble using this thing in your shop. So, don't forget, look in the description down below. I'll leave a link for the YESWELDER. Check it out, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Until next time.